Well, I'm very quickly learning that Santo Domingo is quite different from the rest of the Dominican Republic. Here it's less about sand and sun and more about history, culture, national pride, and aphrodisiacs. You can't help but learn about history when you visit this city. It's a city of firsts in the New World. There are monuments everywhere, particularly those devoted to Christopher Columbus. Now, he's said to be buried in a massive building called the Columbus Lighthouse here in Santo Domingo, although Spain and Cuba have slightly different versions of that story. As for culture, people around here were really excited to show off what this country's all about. Things like dancing, coffee.
It smells so delicious in here.
Cigars.
And then he takes them out and puts the wrapper, which is the last part of the cigar.
And without question, Presidente, their national beer. That green logo is everywhere. I also found out that although Dominicans are huge baseball fans, the government is considering adding dominoes to the list of national sports. Now, I'm not sure I'd classify it as a sport, but I was swayed a bit when I saw how fiercely they play it. And as for the aphrodisiacs, they seem to be everywhere, and my guide Carlos loved telling me about every single one, starting with cacao.
It's also said to be aphrodisiac, to have power.
And then love spray.
It works to attract men, so men, will come to you, will fall in love with you easily.
The 100% legitimate label sold me. And finally, a harsh-tasting drink called Mama Juana.
As you can read here, highly recommends to reinforce sexual strength and to fight other illnesses, such as kidney problem, etc.
So why wouldn't everyone drink it? It improves your sexual strength and it fights illness. It's the best drink ever.
Of course. Try and you will see. Superman will be a baby next to you. Oh my God, cheers.
Oh, I'm done.
Lovely. Wow, you're fast.
Now, Carlos had his own explanation as to why so many things are viewed as aphrodisiacs.
I think because we live in this weather, in this hot weather. We are always with this hot attitude, like we have chocolate. So we fall in love easily.
I have to admit, I fell in love with this place and its culture pretty easily. Must have been that love spray.